Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. This vehicle is featured in the Z71 trim with dark gray metallic paint and alloy rims. We have our Duramax diesel engine, four-wheel drive, rear privacy tint, heated seats, as well as backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Now onto the interior of the Chevrolet Colorado. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, as well as our window and mirror controls with automatic power windows in the front. Below we have our speaker and storage. Inside of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with our lumbar support and manual recline. Our lighting controls, four-wheel drive controls, and trailer brake option. Gauge cluster with screen. You can see our digital speedometer in there as well. Multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Our infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and phone connectivity. Below we have our radio controls, climate controls, vehicle controls, and heated seat options for driver and passenger. Under that we have charging outlets and a storage compartment. Our gear selection stock, two cup holders, and wireless charging pad finished in textured rubber so our phone doesn't slide around while driving. Padded leather center console lid in gray leather. And the front seats are featured in a combination of black and gray leather with a fabric honeycomb pattern in the lower portion of the seat. And this fabric portion is the heated part of the seat as well. On the rearview mirror we have OnStar controls, and above that we have reading lights as well as a sunglass holder. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome and gunmetal gray alloy rims with black Chevrolet badge center caps. We have our Duramax diesel badging in chrome as well as Colorado badging in chrome. Black metallic painted mirror caps and door handles, and rear privacy tint. Around to the back we have our Z71 off-road badging. Paint matched rear bumper with bumper steps, hitch, Chevrolet recessed into the tailgate, and a full paint matched truck bed. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the center console area we have our rear charging outlets, storage, and then back of the passenger seat we have a leather magazine holder. Our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Colorado Z71. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.